You see those kitties over there, don't you? You don't need to be curious about them. They're a lot bigger than you are. Tongue going. He's thinking. See, what are those things over there? I don't know what those are. Look at him stand right up, Dennis. Those are kitty cats. He's looking at you. He's watching Dennis. Say, Dennis? Say, I don't know him. You don't know Dennis, do you? You got cat hair on top of your head. He's got a piece of cat hair stuck on top of his head. I just put olive oil on him. He didn't get all his shit off around his neck. There we go. Now we're watching TV. Chewy's over there sleeping. He ought to be. He was up pacing all night from all the sticks bouncing off my roof all night. What are you doing, Rastus? You're so pretty. You're such a pretty boy. What are you doing, Rastus? So I'm watching television, lady. He's watching TV, Dennis. Look. You're standing straight up in there. Yeah. The stupid politicians trying to ban reptiles. What a joke those people are. They don't realize that these are like our children to us. We love them just like anybody would their cat or dog. Good luck with that. You know what'll happen if they ban them? Everybody will start hiding what they're doing, and the black market will get flooded with reptile trafficking. Then those people won't know where they are and how many there are and what states they're in. So it's dumb, really dumb of them to try and ban these reptiles, because the black market will get flooded with them. Then they'll lose track. They won't know how many there are and where they are and who's producing them. So that's one of the dumbest things they could ever do. Good luck taking my reptiles away from me. Pete. I wish you the best.
Pete! You can't help him. Brave though, I'll give you that.
You're going to take off quick. I saw how your tail, see the tail moving fast? He's getting ready to take off.
It can be deceiving sometimes.
I'm recovering from my fall on the ice the other day. My right hip still hurts pretty bad, but we're doing all right. Snakes always come first, no matter how bad I feel. Chewy's over there sleeping. He was up all night. No, you're not. He was up all night from the branches dropping off my metal roof off the trees. We had high winds all night last night. Needless to say, I didn't sleep very well because my cats were bouncing on me, freaking out. My snakes were bugging out from the noise hitting the roof. You don't need the computer desk. No, you don't. Rastus. No.
You don't go quick, do you? You are going to make stuff up.
So I gotta see what everything is. Look at him. He's standing straight up. What do you see? I'm trying to find something to get into. Mama won't let me. I'm a mean mama, huh, Rastus? You're getting big. You're going to be big like Tipper and Ginger, huh? Their size depends on how much activities and exercise they get out of their enclosures. They don't get any exercise. They don't have a lot of muscles. They get fat and lazy. My snakes all come out. Not every day, but at least 3 days a week they come out. They're very social, friendly animals. These politicians are a joke, trying to ban people from keeping reptiles. It's the most absurd thing I've ever heard in all the years. I've kept reptiles for 60 years. And as long as people think like that, there'll be a big need for doing reptile education and snake education. That just proves to you how much... Oh, did I scare you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, buddy. But one thing for sure, people keep thinking like that. Proves people need to really keep pushing snake education and reptile education. Because people don't have any facts if they think like that. These animals aren't going to hurt anybody. They're not invasive. They're pets. They're part of our family. They're like our children. No, Flora. No. I'm sorry. So, you did that. You made me wobble my head again. He only does it when something freaks him out or he gets stressed out. Other than that, he doesn't have the head wobble. It's not a bad one anyway. It's just minor. But it's definitely related to stress. You watching Dennis again? Is that Dennis? Look at him looking at you, Dennis. Is that Dennis? You like him?
Thought so.
You protecting Mama?
Call out for her.
You protecting me from Dennis? Huh? Yeah. My snakes are all my children. I love them just as much as I do my kids. And let me tell you, my snakes will protect me and defend me in a minute. I've got videos of them doing it. It's amazing. They do have a very close emotional bond with their handler. You spend time with them and they're social. No, 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 no. Be gentle with them. Don't be abusive and rough with them. They have feelings just like any other animal does. Where you going? Where you going? I'm gonna run that way. She scared me again.